I can see she took a hit to the passenger side front. And when I first got her, what up, though, people? Welcome back to Easy's Rebuilds. I'm Easy E, and if you can see from the thumbnail, we got another Copart car that I've been had, because I told y'all, if you're new to the channel, that I got cars you haven't seen yet. This car was purchased February, I think 16th of this year. It's now hitting my channel. But if you follow me on Facebook, Instagram, you will see that I posted a picture of this vehicle when I won it. We paid, I think winning bid was $625. Ended up being $933 out the door. She was hit in the front. She didn't run. But you know me, if you don't, because you're new to the channel, I had to get her running so I can move her around. So we're going to take a little walk around this car. Don't worry. This car is not being fixed. This is one of my parts cars. I rarely record any of my parts cars. But when I do, here it is what it is. So let's go take a look at her. So here's the 2006 Pontiac Torrent. It was listed as a drive, but she did not run when I got her. As I stated before, she has brand new Firestone tires all the way around. And the only reason I moved her back to the house is she's filling up full of water. Can't have my cars full of water and mold, so I got to figure out where the water is coming from. It's coming from the driver's side. Seems like when she's running, she's got air. She has water in the HVAC system. I don't know if the water comes from the sunroof, but she's got water. Got a little water over there, but the water is building up on the driver's side. Got a little mold right there. Like I said, I can't have any mold in my parts cars because this is the car we're going to be using to put back together my black Pontiac Torrent. This one has a salvage title. I don't rebuild salvage title cars that often because it's too much of a headache for me to go through the long process of rebuilding it, then taking it down to the state police, then sending all the paperwork certified through the mail to Indianapolis with my ID, all my identification, my credit card information through the mail, so they can send me back a rebuilt title a month later. But like I said, this car I'm going to use for parts. I'm going to use basically the whole interior is coming out of this one. Y'all know how I get down. Go watch the other videos, how I rip out the whole interiors and I use them. But if you're new to the channel, go check out the other 2006 Pontiac Torrent, the one we got running, but she started overheating. This one was wired up for sounds. Like I said, brand new tires all the way around. The hatch is in great shape. Like they had reverse camera hooked up. So they put a hole in the plastic. I think I got another plastic, one of those plastic pieces I can use back there. Like I said, I had this car since February. And it's been sitting in where I store all my cars at. I'll be using these doors on another build. So this car gonna be getting used for parts on two different builds. One is that Pontiac Torrent 2006. The other one will be a 2006 Chevy Equinox. But there's these leather seats and center console and stuff. And the carpet, I do believe, is going into the other Pontiac Torrent. The trim, well, y'all see when I get to it, because the other, like, what you going to do with the other interior for the other car, that's when they go into the other car. So I'm going to be swapping interiors. Black Pontiac Torrent get a leather interior, which the black Pontiac Torrent, if you're new to the channel, has black cloth interior. That's all nasty. Got boogers all on the seats. and they all tore up and they need new carpet. So that's where this one comes in. And it's cheaper for me to buy a whole nother car than it is to go to pick and pull an LKQ and pull the whole interior out to put in another car, because it get pricey. I just left LKQ today, spent about $800 on a couple of parts, because they know LKQ want to give you those warranty. They want to warranty everything, and I'm not made of money. Can't be paying $800 for some parts. I get it. I paid $437 for some tires and rims for another build. Tires was good on the car, the rims was chrome, so I wanted them for another build. But not paying no $366 for 2 seats and a tire. They want to charge you $100 and something for a seat. Yeah, $100 something for a seat at LKQ. And I needed 2 seats for another build that I got that's going to be on the channel soon. It's not really a build, it's like a quick flip, but we'll get to that later. So I needed 2 front seats, center console, but I got the 2 front seats from one LKQ and a tire for the Buick Enclave. It's already seen that's done. Need another tire because the stem broke off and I can't stand. I need the sensor. I could just order the sensor, had to put it in there, but I just got a whole nother tire with the chrome rim to go on the car that already has the sensor in there. Whew. So let me stop jabbing on, because these car prices are out of control. That's why I like just buying whole parts cars. I don't like having to go to LKQ when pick and pull doesn't have what I need and pull off parts, because it just costs me too much every time I go to LKQ. But LKQ got a bigger variety of cars. They have a bigger lot than pick and pull out here. So I don't fault pick and pull for nothing. They're my number one spot anytime. But let's get back on this Pontiac Torrent, my parts car. And I tell you what I did to this car to get it back running, because she does run. Obviously, she's in my driveway. And I get the joy. So let's get back to it. So that's going to be a wrap. So if you enjoy this video as much as I enjoy making it, this 2006 Pontiac Torrent with low miles, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't, just give me a thumbs down. Leave a comment in the comment section below. Let us know how we doing over here at Easy Ease Rebuilds. Share this video with your friends, family, and coworkers. We truly appreciate it. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to Easy Ease Rebuilds. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we release a new video. Go follow us on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and maybe Twitter. We have merch at teespring.com. We take Cash App donations, and we take donations of cars sometimes. And you can hit us up at my email, easyeaserebuilds@gmail.com. With all that said, stay tuned and stay blessed, people. Deuces!